Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, JansCrazyLife. So I decided to do a project share. I've been working, me and Tina have been going live and we've been making mini junk journals, and how stinking cute are these, right? All right, let's start with the Halloween one. And so let's start with the front. There's this pretty flower and there's a witch in front of it. It's so cute. It has lace and, oh, that one I forgot to put tabs. So I'm going to do a little bit more to that one. I just remembered. But, so there's 3 signatures in this little junk journal. And there are sewn in fabric pockets with little bitty journaling cards. And it's witch theme. So there's little bitty witches and tabs. And this is really more of a junky junk journal. Like, I literally used all my scraps and book pages from the altered books. And it kind of just repeats throughout. My ghosts are upside down, but it's all good. So, look at the little witch. So, throughout it, there is, on each signature, there is a little bitty pocket that's fabric with some journaling cards, a little bitty envelope that I always put in the middle with a journaling card, and on my little strings I put some little stickers from the Dale string. So there's 3 signatures and so cute. It kind of got a fat spine, but I also added, there are these cute little bookmarks for each signature, so those are on. Let me close this back. And this one has a, hold on, I'm going to put it in my lap really quick so I can close it. This one has 3 signatures and a thicker spine on it. But I made this cute little tassel that can come off if whoever gets it so chooses to remove it and put it anywhere else, they can. And it's this cute little, it has like a witch and a hat. Cute little like Halloween tassel. And so let me just clip that back on. And then there you can see, you probably can't so much, 3 signatures sewn. So how stinking adorable this. It's 3x4, so cute. So then I made another one that's so girly. It's only got 2 signatures and a 2-inch spine, and I'm looking at this and I'm making sure. Okay, so I made this really cute tassel that's super girly, and then it's got this flower and it's a llama, and so it's just like pink, pretty, and llama shaped. So cute, super girly with this lace. And when you open it up, it's got, again, fabric sewn pockets, tiny little journaling cards, and this one's more clean line, so all the paper kind of, I sewed lace in, and this beautiful floral papers in the back, and there is fabric pockets. So there's book pages, really pretty paper, and there is a llama on every one of the regular paper, or flowers. There's another llama. This one has a flower. Book pages. I thought it was so cute holding the books. Book pages. And you can always glue things, stick stuff. You know how that goes. Llama. And then in the middle of the signature, it has a lot of pages in each one. There's a bookmark with this really pretty lace. And on the little string, there is a flower. There is an envelope and a pocket. So 2 signatures like that with a gap here where you could do pretty much, you could actually make your own little insert and put it on there. It'd be so cute. So that's what I've been working on. I'm probably going to make another one of these. I think they're super cute. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can put it in the comment section below. I love comments, so thanks for everyone that takes the time out to leave a comment. It lets me know that you're watching and you appreciate my videos. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.